Hi students, in this video I am going to tell you the acidity order of ortho, para and meta nitrophenols, how to find it. Okay, so as before I am going to do it in a systematic way. Please try to do it. Okay, press the pause button, try to solve it and then come for the answer. Okay, but there is something, a twist is there. Okay, but you can understand, no problem. So I have written all the substituents. So the electron density, the electronic effects is going to decide the electron density, and I am telling you the electron density is inversely proportional to the acidity of the phenols. Okay, so lower the electron density on the oxygen, greater will be the acidity. So we have to check. So for phenol, hydrogen, the substituent, so there will not be any change in phenol. So no change in the net electron density. ED is for electron density, this is net electron density. I for inductive effect and or resonance effect, because your nitro group is what kind of electronic effect it is going to show? It is going to show minus I and minus R. And how to the trick for finding out the trick to find out the inductive effect and the resonance effect I told you in a previous video. I will give you the link in the description box. Please see it. Okay, so the nitro group, it is what? Nitro is more electronegative than carbon, so it will show minus I effect. Okay, and it has unsaturation. So it has minus R. If it has lone pair only, it will show plus R. Okay, and here minus I and minus I. Nitro, if it is present in the meta substitution, it will not participate in resonance. Okay, so only inductive effect will take place in the meta position. Please remember that. So no resonance here, and ortho nitro, minus R effect is going to take place. Okay, so here inductive effect, as I told you, inductive effect decreases with distance. In para position, it is 3 bond distance away. So due to minus I effect, the electron density is going to decrease, but not that much, because it is 3 bond distance away. The effect is very less. So due to this, I have written a very little arrow mark showing that the electron density is going to decrease. And minus R effect, due to minus R effect, it is a very powerful electron withdrawing group. The electron density is going to decrease so much. Okay, so here minus I effect, it is what in meta position, it is 2 bond distance away, so it must be greater than this. This is 3 bond distance away, 2 bond distance away, the effect will be little more than this, and no other effect. Okay, so here minus I effect, see, the effect must be very more, because it is only 1 bond distance away, and due to this the electron density is going to decrease. And here minus R effect in ortho and para position will be of same magnitude. Please remember that. So I am going to write the same arrow mark. Okay, so now I am going to write the net electron density. So here both I am going to write this one. Here same, I am not adding anything, same direction, so it is going to reinforce. Okay, so it must be slightly bigger than this, because this arrow is slightly bigger than this. Okay, so here, so based on this, what we say, so electron density is going to decrease. So we will write the order as, so the least will be your phenol, right? Because no change here. When compared to phenol, the electron density has decreased. So electron density is, the decrease in electron density will increase the acidity, right? So the more decrease is this one. The more decrease in ortho, and then comes your para. Okay, and then is your meta. So far, while considering the electronic effect, we write this one. This is the expected. But the actual was found to be only a little difference. What happened is, ortho, this is what ortho, para, meta, right? Ortho, para, meta. But in actual, it was found to be para, ortho and meta, and then comes your phenol. Why this change? Because students, okay, this is expected according to theory, but this was observed. Why this is so? Because I tell you, in ortho there is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, students. So there is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. If I write it very neatly, you can see a 6-membered ring. See here, oxygen, and this is your hydrogen. Okay, and this is your nitrogen, and this is your oxygen, and this is your, I will put in different arrow mark. Okay, dotted. Okay, this is your, say, a perfect 6-member structure in which the hydrogen of the phenol is attached to the more electronegative oxygen of the nitro group. So this makes it the donation. So what is acidity? The easy it donates, the more fissile it donates a proton. But due to this hydrogen bonding, it is not donating H plus. So the acidity decreases. Okay, the acidity decreases. So this happens. So first comes your para derivative, then comes your ortho, meta and phenol. Please remember this. While you solve the electronic effects, you come to see that ortho must be more acidic than your para, and then comes your meta, and then finally your phenol. But due to intramolecular, what is that? Within the molecular, with intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the acidity of ortho, okay, ortho derivative decreases. So this order is followed. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, students, so please remember this. So in orthonitro, an excellent 6-membered hydrogen bonding takes place, which makes it very fissile. 6-membered is the most comfortable stable structure. Okay, so through this a hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding has been formed, which makes the hydrogen, the proton, okay, the donation of the proton makes is not possible here. So due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it cannot donate H plus ions. Only if it donate H plus ions, it is acidic. Due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the donation becomes restricted. So this makes the acidity to decrease. Okay, due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the acidity of the ortho derivative, this is what? This arrow mark decreases. So the order is what? Para derivative, then comes your ortho, meta and your phenol. Okay, so students, I hope you understood the concept. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thanks for watching.